Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video coming from Gtracing.com. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And also give them a follow on their Instagram. Really nice people to talk to on the side, so definitely check these guys out. They're in the business for gaming, chairs, and a bunch of other goodies. So if you got some free time, click the link and see what other they have. But if you like this chair, all you gotta do is click the link and check out your style and then order it and they'll ship it to you. Pretty simple. Here we go. Definitely excited for this one, guys. I gotta replace that chair now, so we'll be all set. I'm gonna open it up, put you guys down in 1 second. Alright, YouTubers, before I start, now this is a manual. This is how it's supposed to be done, guys. Really nice. Easy to follow. Look at this. Really impressed. Everything well detailed out. Shows it perfectly. I'm really good at setting up chairs, so I don't need this, but this is amazing. I'm just really surprised that the company actually finally did it right. How to set up a chair. Well, yeah, I've done plenty of chairs right now, so pretty much they're all the same after you get the handle of it. Wow, this is going to be cool. Alright, just wanted to show you guys so you know how to do it. Here we go. Alright, we'll be right back. Oh, here's the inside. So when you get it, this is what it's going to look like. You might need help setting it up if it's your first time. If not, just take your time with it. You'll get it. Because if I could do it, you could do it. Alright. We got the main base right here. Ooh, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. And we got the protector for the middle. Forgot what that's called. We got some stuff right here. The tools. All you need right here. Got the Allen wrench. Got some screws, some bolts. All the good stuff. Now, I'm not sure what this is. We'll find out once we come to that part. I'm not going to show the whole assembly on it. Like I said, it's really easy to do. This is like the pump to pump it up. Kind of like Joe Budden. Pump it up. Ooh. Now look at this fancy dancy. Oh, baby. Alright, it's going to be fun. Alright, guys. See you guys in a few. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we go with the Gtracing gaming chair. Amazing. Super comfy. Definitely get some use out of this. Got the headrest right there. Got the lumbar support. Super soft cushion for your tush. We got the leg rest. And it could go like this. And then tuck it in. Bam. These go up. Go down. Up, down. Keep it up there for now. See, I think this one too. Yep. See? Boom. And then right here you can lean the seat back or forward by switching this. So really nice, easy to put together. Great instructions. So here's the back. And then there's the wheels down there. So everything's perfect. Definitely super comfy. You'll definitely get your use out of this chair. So all you gotta do is click the link down below and select the style. And that's it. You're all set. And they'll ship this to you really fast. So definitely check them out. GTR Racing. And the link will be down below. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a good weekend and see you guys soon.